Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to USDT has increased by 0.76% to 69,419.0 on April 7, 2024, compared to yesterday's price of 68,896.0. The price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by 2.43% to 3,433.06, while the price of Binance Coin, BNB, to USDT has decreased by -0.22% to 584.1.
Latest news.
Bitcoin, BTC, drops below 69,000 USDT with a narrowed 1% increase in 24 hours. Bitcoin falls below 69,000 USDT as market data reveals narrow 1% increase in 24 hours. On April 7, 1954 p.m. UTC. According to Binance market data, Bitcoin has dropped below 69,000 USDT and is now trading at 68,995.21875 USDT, with a narrowed 1% increase in 24 hours. BNB drops below 580 USDT with a 0.69% decrease in 24 hours. Binance market data reports that BNB has fallen below 580 USDT with a 0.69% decrease in 24 hours. US Bitcoin spot ETF experienced a net inflow of $92.3 million on February 29, th. Veteran trader predicts Solana's potential to outperform Ethereum. Solana, SOL, experiences a significant increase in value following recent price drops, according to a seasoned trader with decades of experience. Peter Brandt, a trader with Solana predictions, suggests that if a significant resistance level is overcome, the value of SOL could double against Ethereum, ETH. Brandt's prediction comes as market fluctuations continue, with recent price drops demonstrating sell orders concentrated on the SOL ETH chart. If buyers can absorb this selling pressure, the price of SOL relative to ETH could see a substantial increase, potentially doubling SOL's value against ETH. Despite his bearish stance on Ethereum, Brandt clarifies that his views are not as pessimistic as they may appear. In a tweet on April 4, Brandt expressed his doubts about Ethereum, labeling it a junk coin, but later indicated a change in his stance, stating that he would not hesitate to take a leveraged long position in ETH if the charts suggested it. In related news, the development shop Anza, building the Solana client Agave, is working to address network congestion on the Solana network. The team is investigating the root cause of the congestion and considering several potential changes. The main issue pertains to a QoC implementation and the behavior of the Agave validator client on Solana when asked to process a large number of requests. The Anza team is testing a patch to address the current network congestion, and if successful, the patch may be implemented more widely. Further improvements and changes are expected to be introduced in the coming months to enhance network performance. For more information, visit SOL's official website, https://sol.io. Ripple CEO to discuss future of XRP ledger at Paris Blockchain Week. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse to speak at Paris Blockchain Week. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse is set to speak at Paris Blockchain Week, sparking anticipation within the cryptocurrency community. The event, which is one of Europe's largest blockchain gatherings, will take place from April 9 to 1. Garlinghouse's insights into Ripple and the future direction of XRP ledger are eagerly awaited by industry participants, investors, and enthusiasts. Garlinghouse will participate in a fireside chat with XRPL Commons President David Pyrei on April 9 at 2:20 p.m. CET. The discussion is expected to provide valuable insights into the future of finance and how Ripple and XRPL can deliver real-world utility. Ripple has made significant progress in 2024, including the announcement of a stablecoin pegged USDT to the USD on XRP Ledger and Ethereum. This move is expected to expand Ripple's reach into institutional and DeFi markets, broadening use cases and improving its payment infrastructure, thereby bringing traditional and decentralized finance closer together. In February, Ripple announced a partnership with Zonix, a pioneer in digital asset management, to leverage the XRP Ledger infrastructure. That same month, Ripple and the XLR Foundation announced a collaboration to enhance the XRPL DeFi ecosystem by providing necessary liquidity for stablecoins and large-cap assets. Join us for a live stream of Garlinghouse's speech at Paris Blockchain Week on April 9th. Stay tuned for updates on the future of financial technology and how Ripple and XRPL can deliver real-world utility. American author Robert Kiyosaki warns of potential everything bubble in U.S. markets. The U.S. Bitcoin spot ETF experienced a net inflow of $92.3 million on February 29th. Robert Kiyosaki, author of influential personal finance books, warns of a potential stock market bubble. He advises investors to invest in precious metals and Bitcoin to safeguard against potential crashes. Historical data suggests that worries about stock market bubbles are baseless. Albert Edwards of SocGen suggests that certain stocks may be exhibiting market bubble signs. Bitcoin has a negative correlation with the benchmark SP 500. Jurian Timmer, director of Global Macro at Fidelity Investments, highlights Bitcoin's diversification capabilities in 2024. Shiba Inu team warns community about fake Sheboshi tokens. The Shiba Inu team issues an alert to its community regarding fraudulent Sheboshi tokens. According to Yo Today, the Shiba Inu team has issued a critical alert to its community known as the SHB Army, warning of the presence of fraudulent Sheboshi tokens. These fake tokens, which are being mistaken for genuine Sheboshis or SHB tokens, pose a significant risk to unsuspecting investors and community members. A Shiba Inu project team member urged the community to stay alert and exercise caution. Lucy, a member of the Shiba Inu team, emphasized the difference in price tags between the authentic Sheboshi tokens associated with the Shiba Inu ecosystem and the fraudulent ones. The real SHB does not have any zeros in its price tag, while the counterfeit SHB token had 5 zeros and was priced significantly lower. She urged the community to be informed and cautious. Sheboshis, which have gained popularity within the crypto community since their launch in late February, are not just NFTs but represent a pioneering movement towards hybrid tokens. These tokens promise both uniqueness and shared ownership, combining the best of the ERC-20 and ERC-721 standards to bring liquidity and fractional ownership to the NFT sector. In other news, the Shiba Inu ecosystem has achieved a significant milestone with its Layer 2 platform, Shibarium, surpassing 413 million total transactions and 4 million blocks. Currently, there are 413,205,890 transactions on Shibarium, with 4,079,830 blocks. Shibarium also boasts more than 1.39 million wallet addresses and a robust ecosystem of applications, indicating the platform's growing adoption. Gold outperforms Bitcoin over last 2.5 years. The U.S. Bitcoin spot ETF experienced a net inflow of $92.3 million on February 29th, highlighting the stability of gold over the past 2.5 years. According to Peter Schiff, gold has outperformed Bitcoin over the past 5 years, with gold outpacing the SP 500, the current economic climate. Gold's price has been steady, reaching approximately $2,329.57 per ounce, while Bitcoin is currently priced around $69,045 and is encountering resistance at $70,000. For gold to sustain its upward trend, it needs to keep support above its 50-day EMA of $2,184. Similarly, for Bitcoin to regain bullish momentum, it needs to surpass current resistance levels and maintain above the $67,316 mark. Bitcoin's potential for high returns attracts investors willing to embrace more uncertainty, which contrasts with gold's role as a hedge against inflation during periods of poor economic performance. The U.S. Bitcoin spot ETF is a leading ETF that tracks the performance of Bitcoin in the U.S. The net inflow of $92.3 million on February 29th demonstrates the growing interest in Bitcoin and its potential as an investment. Dogecoin co-founder suggests unconventional Bitcoin valuation. The US Bitcoin spot ETF experienced a net inflow of $92.3 million on February 29th, highlighting the increasing popularity of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in the US market. According to a report by Yo Today, co-creator of Dogecoin, Billy Marcus sparked a conversation in the crypto community with his humorous perspective on Bitcoin's valuation. Marcus proposed a Bitcoin price of $69,420, reasoning that memes are dominant in the universe and are a key factor in shaping public opinion. This proposal triggered a wave of responses from his followers, with one suggesting the figure be raised to $694,200. Marcus humorously agreed, and Bitcoin's price has seen a surge, coming closer to the proposed value. With a 6% yield increase since the start of the week, Bitcoin is now just above 69,420美元, only 6.4% away from potentially hitting a new high of 74,000美元. While Marcus jokes about Bitcoin's valuation, his creation, Dogecoin, continues to gain traction. Dogecoin experienced a 5% reaching 0.095美元 per Doge. Marcus took the opportunity to share a fun collage featuring the famous Doge meme, encouragingly captioned "Go, Doge, go." Marcus' unusual perspective on Bitcoin's value highlights the interconnectedness of cryptocurrency and internet culture. As memes become increasingly influential in the digital world, affecting market sentiments and price forecasts, it's evident that even the most bizarre ideas can stimulate significant conversations and potentially impact market trends. Shibarium witnesses remarkable surge in active accounts. Shibarium experiences 625% increase in active accounts and is 823% surge in new accounts in response to increased online activity. However, transactional activity on the platform has not reached its previous peak. The potential impact of this growth on Shiba Inu's meme-centric ecosystem is being closely watched. Shiba Inu token burn rate surges, price gains momentum. Shiba Inu, SHIB, token burn rate increases, supports price gains. Yo Today reports that the Shiba Inu, SHIB, token burn rate has increased by 6.02% in the last 24 hours, supporting the surge in the meme coin's price. The tracking site Shibarium shows a 61.02% increase in the token burn rate, indicating a significant increase in the community's commitment to the ecosystem. The Shiba Inu community has been proactive in sending millions of tokens to dead wallets, demonstrating their commitment to the ecosystem. Data shows that approximately 410.7 trillion tokens have been burned or removed from the initial supply, supporting the community's commitment to the ecosystem. The price of Shiba Inu has seen a significant increase amidst the surge in its burn rate. At the time of writing, SHIB is trading at 0.00002815 美元, up 3.18% in the last 24 hours. Despite a 10.86% numeric drop over the last 30 days, today's surge suggests a potential trend reversal. The meme coin may soon exit the consolidation phase and continue to grow in trading activity. However, Shiba Inu may continue to consolidate as the market anticipates the Bitcoin, BTC, halving event. Market participants may choose to wait until the halving event to observe its impact on the market. Therefore, the SHIB community may need to wait before witnessing major price movements. For more information, visit shibinu.com, http://shibinu.com. Bitcoin's market capitalization surpasses top 4 global banks combined. Bitcoin dominance surpasses top 4 largest banks. Market cap exceeds $1.3 trillion. According to Yo Today, the Boer Gerbax, strategy advisor at Tether and Van Eck, highlights Bitcoin's dominance over major banks. The market capitalization of Bitcoin now surpasses the combined value of the world's top 4 largest banks, including JP Morgan Chase, Bank of America, ICBC, Wells Fargo, Agricultural Bank of China, Bank of China, and China Construction Bank. Bitcoin's market cap is 2.4 times larger than that of JP Morgan Chase alone. Gerbax challenges the narrative surrounding Bitcoin's success, arguing that journalists often overlook its achievements while focusing on its failures. He argues that Bitcoin's resilience should be compared to the perceived failures of the banking system, especially when its market cap surpasses that of the top 4 banks combined. Interestingly, Bitcoin's market capitalization places it among tech giants like Amazon and Meta, formerly Facebook, demonstrating its influence and relevance in the digital age. This position further cements Bitcoin's status as a powerful player in both the financial and technological sectors. Gerbax also stresses the need for institutions, including the Fed, to recognize Bitcoin's significance. He contends that ignoring or disrespecting Bitcoin is no longer feasible given its strong presence in the financial landscape. Bitcoin exodus from exchanges accelerates, signaling potential supply crunch. Bitcoin ETF saw $92.3 million in net inflow on February 29, leading to increased demand for crypto assets. Report: a significant amount of Bitcoin, BTC, has been transferred out of known crypto exchange wallets in the last month, indicating a reduction in BTC supply on exchanges. Nearly 111,000 BTC, valued at approximately $7.55 billion, were transferred, leading to a decrease in demand for the cryptocurrency. This trend suggests that more investors are choosing to store their Bitcoin in private wallets rather than on exchanges, potentially leading to a supply crunch where demand surpasses available supply. This could potentially set the stage for a bullish rally. In addition, institutional adoption of Bitcoin has seen a recent surge, with these investors securing their holdings in private wallets or cold storage for long-term purposes. Crypto analyst Ollie reported that 21,400 BTC, worth around $1.40 billion, were moved to accumulation addresses that have never spent funds in a single day. The on-chain analytics firm Into the Blah has reported that Bitcoin ETFs have accumulated more than 4% of the BTC supply in less than 3 months, with the amount of Bitcoin held by addresses with 1,000 BTC or more, known as whales, increasing dramatically since the inception of the ETFs. The aggregate balance of whale addresses has reached its highest point since June 2022, with this year's increase by 220,000 BTC, totaling $14.2 billion, with 210,000 of these BTC coming from net inflows into ETFs. This has pushed Bitcoin to new all-time highs, contributing to increased demand for crypto assets. At the time of writing, BTC was up 2.23% in the previous 24 hours to 2,286. Shiba Inu's potential reversal from downtrend to uptrend, an analysis. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency is exhibiting a double bottom pattern, according to Yo today. If the pattern unfolds as anticipated, the cryptocurrency could potentially rise towards $0.00003. However, for the optimistic scenario to remain valid, Shiba Inu must surpass this resistance level and sustain the momentum. If Shiba Inu fails to maintain the momentum and drops below the support level, the chances of a strong reversal decrease. Currently, Shiba Inu is in a consolidation, and it is too early to predict whether it will have a bullish future. A reversal could be on the horizon if the double bottom pattern plays out as expected.
Thank you for watching today.
Wishing you all a wealthy and profitable journey in the world of cryptocurrencies. May your investments grow and thrive, and may you always find the right opportunities to make your money work for you. Cheers!